Hello, welcome to the Marginal Show, the cybersecurity show. Everybody's talking about iOS 18. iOS 18. Well, here's some settings that you're going to want to turn off before you start to get a little too excited. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So iOS 18 introduces several new features and settings that can impact your iPhone's battery life and performance.
Finally, an explanation.
Now, here are some key settings you may want to consider turning off or adjusting. Now, we have the battery settings, right? Optimize battery charging. While this feature is generally beneficial, iOS 18 allows for more customization. You can now set a maximum charging limit between 80% and 100%. Please hit that subscribe button and the like button. If you like this video so far, if you're learning something, please hit that subscribe button and the like button right now. To adjust this, go to settings, then battery, then charging, right? Use the slider to set your preferred maximum charge level. Then there's the background app refresh, right? This feature allows apps to update in the background, which can drain battery life. Now, to manage this, go to settings, then general. Then you want to go to the background app refresh. Turn it off completely or set it to Wi-Fi only, okay? And then the display and brightness, right? Always on display. If you have an iPhone with an OLED display, consider turning off or adjusting the always on display feature. This can help preserve battery life because you know those iPhone batteries sometimes they get gone on you, right? Then there's the auto lock, right? Set a shorter auto lock time to reduce battery drain when your phone is idle. Notifications and privacy shared with you, right? If you find this feature intrusive, you can turn it off. Why? Okay, or how? Go to settings, then messages, right? Scroll down and disable shared with you. Contact permissions. Remember, cybersecurity, tech, we want to make sure that it's private. What we got is private. Our iPhone and whatever iOS 18 belongs to us and only us. So the iOS 18 allows more granular control over which apps can access your contacts, right? Review these settings in the settings, privacy and security, contacts, and then other settings. Now, improve search to enhance privacy, right? You may want to turn off this feature. How you do that? Go to open settings, search for improve search and disable it. Now, game mode. you know us Apple users, we like our games, so they have a little. So if you don't need the enhanced gaming performance, right, consider disabling game mode. When it activates, remember, these settings can be adjusted based on your personal preferences and usage patterns. Experiment to find the right balance between functionality and battery life for your needs. Okay. Low power mode in iOS 18 remains a key battery saving feature, but it differs, right, from other power management options in several ways. There's the comprehensive system optimization, right? The low power mode takes a holistic approach to battery conservation by affecting multiple system functions simultaneously. Now, I have a question for you. Which setting do you think you would turn off for you? Like this is the most useless setting available. It should be turned off. Let me know in the comment section below. It reduces or pauses background activities like email fetch and iCloud photo sync. There's the visual effects are minimized. The display refresh rate is limited to 60 Hz on ProMotion devices. The auto lock is set to 30 seconds by default. In contrast, other battery saving features tend to focus on specific aspects of the device operation. There's the automatic activation, right? While you can manually enable low power mode, it's designed to activate automatically when your battery reaches 20%. Other battery saving features typically require manual adjustment. There's the temporary nature, right? Low power mode is meant to be a temporary state. It automatically deactivates once your iPhone charges above 80%. Other battery optimization settings like reducing screen brightness or turning off background app refresh for specific apps remain in effect until manually changed. Okay, so you're gonna have to go in there and manually change that thing, you know what I'm saying? Then there's the visual indicator, right? When low power mode is active, the battery icon in the status bar turns yellow. This provides a clear visual cue that the device is operating in a power saving state, which is unique to low power mode. Then there's the performance impact, okay? Low power mode may cause some tasks, right, to take longer to complete or update. Other battery saving features generally aim to minimize noticeable performance impact. So that's what I have for you today. Please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. If you like this video, if you appreciate it, if you learned something new, hit that subscribe button and the like button. I appreciate your viewership. Stay safe and see you on the next video.